Assalamualaikum. Good morning, 5 class. How are you? I hope so. You all will be fine. Today, our topic is construction of triangles. Constructing triangles when two angles and the length of the side between them is given. Example: construct a triangle ABC where angle BAC equals to 50 degree, AB equals to 5 centimeter and angle ABC equals to 60 degree. Here you can see that we have two angles and one side length. Here we have to construct a triangle in which one angle is 50 degree, second angle is 60 degree and the side and the length of one side equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, the step 1 is draw a line AB equals to 5 centimeter by using the ruler. Here we draw a line segment whose length is 5 centimeter AB. Step 2 is use a protractor to draw an angle ABC equals to 60 degree. Angle ABC means that we have to draw the angle at point B because B in the middle part, so we have to draw the angle at B. So draw a line segment AB which is equals to 5 centimeter. Now place the protractor at point B and measure the angle 60 degree. You can see here B angle is on the right hand side, so we read the scale from left side. It means that we use the upper scale to read. Okay, here you can see that this is the angle of 60 degree and give the name it C. Okay, now step number 3, draw angle BAC equals to 50 degree. BAC means that here we draw the angle at point A. First of all, draw the line segment AB 5 centimeter and B angle which is 60 degree. Now draw an angle 50 degree at point A. So place the protractor at point A. As you know that here you can see that A on the left hand side, so we read the protractor from right side. It means that we have to read the table below read the below measurements. Okay, and now you can see here this is the 50 degree. Okay, step number 4 is if necessary extend the lines until they intersect at C, form a triangle. These are the triangle. Here you can see that ABC is a triangle. Angle is A angle is 50 degree, B angle is 60 degree and AB length equals to 5 centimeter. Next one is constructing triangles when the length of two sides and the angle between them is given. Here we have to construct a triangle in which length of two sides and one angle between them is given. Example: construct a triangle ABC where AB equals to 5 centimeter, AC equals to 7 centimeter and BAC angle equals to 55 degree. Here you can see that one length is 5 centimeter, second length is 7 centimeter and the angle at point A equals to 55 degree. Step 1 is draw a line AB of 5 centimeter long. AB 5 centimeter. Step 2 is draw an angle of 55 degree by placing the center of the protractor at the point A. First of all, draw the line segment AB of length 5 centimeter and now place the protractor at point A to draw the angle of 55 degree. Because angle A on the left hand side, so we read the protractor from right hand side and we use the inner table. So here you can see that this is the angle of 55 degree. Dotted line represent the angle of 55 degree. Step 3 is join the 55 degree mark and the point A. Here we join the mark point, join this dotted line. Okay, the angle is 55 degree. Now step 4 is draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter with A as center. The arc will cut at point C. First of all, AB, and here you can see that the green line represent the length of AC, which is the 7 centimeter. We draw an arc of length 7 centimeter by measuring the scale. Here you can see that this is the arc. AC represent the length which is 7 centimeter. Now step 5, join C to B. Okay, join C to B. Now erase the arc and the extra length CD to obtain the required triangle. Okay, extra length which is approaches to D, we have to erase this, and this is the triangle ABC, in which one angle is 55 degree and C is AB is equals to 7 centimeter. Homework is practice of classwork at home. Thanks for watching students. Allah Hafiz.